Imagine a war so absurd the enemy wasn't an army, it was birds. And the birds won. November 1932, Western Australia. The Great Depression had farmers desperate. Their crops were under siege, not by drought or locusts, but by 20,000 emus. Towering, relentless, and hungry. These flightless giants stormed fields like feathered tanks, devouring everything in sight. The farmers begged for help. The government sent soldiers with machine guns. The emus, unfazed. The first ambush was a disaster. The birds split into guerrilla units, dodging bullets at 30 miles per hour. Soldiers fired missed. Emus charged through the gunfire. One veteran later admitted. The emus had divided into small groups and ran like the wind. The press mocked it as the Emu War. The military did. They retreated. After 2 weeks, 2,500 bullets and 0 emu casualties, Australia surrendered. The birds had outmaneuvered, outlasted, and outsmarted them. The government withdrew, leaving farmers to beg for a fence. The emus? They kept eating. History's weirdest war ended with a lesson. Never underestimate a bird with a grudge. And yes, the emus are still there.